Meditation is a simple yet powerful practice that helps clear the mind and bring focus. In today's fast-paced world, our thoughts are often scattered. We jump from one task to another, rarely stopping to pause. Over time, this creates mental fog, stress, and confusion. Mental clarity means having a calm, focused mind. It helps in decision-making, problem-solving, and staying present in the moment. Meditation is one of the best tools to achieve this. Start by finding a quiet place. Sit comfortably. You can sit on a chair or on the floor. Keep your back straight and hands relaxed. Now gently close your eyes. Take a deep breath in and slowly breathe out. Let your body relax. Focus on your breath. Feel the air as it enters your nose, fills your lungs, and leaves your body. Your mind may wander. That's normal. When it does, gently bring your focus back to your breath. You don't need to stop your thoughts, just don't follow them. Let them pass like clouds in the sky. With every breath, feel yourself becoming more calm, more centered, more present. Stay here for a few minutes. Inhale, exhale. If your mind brings up thoughts or worries, simply notice them. Then let them go like leaves floating down a stream. You are training your mind to stay still. Just like a muscle, the more you practice, the stronger your focus becomes. Meditation helps reduce stress, improves memory, and increases awareness. Most importantly, it clears the clutter in the mind and creates space for clarity and peace. You can do this for just 5 to 10 minutes a day. Over time, the benefits grow. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Feel the stillness within you. Carry this clarity with you into the rest of your day. Let your mind stay open, clear, and calm. Meditation is not about doing. It's about being present, being aware, being at peace.